Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Crypto Editor UK. My name is Michael, and as always we bring you the very latest in price, hype and speculation in the wonderful world of crypto assets. Now in today's video we'll be looking at one thing and one thing only. That's the Bitcoin price. Will it break up or will it break down? I will look at classic chart patterns detailing that. I will be looking at the liquidity in Tether, and also the race in the coin market cap rankings between XRP and Tether. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And without any further ado, let's jump straight in right after this. Alright, so just wanted to jump in and make another video today. Let's take a look straight at the Bitcoin price. We'll see here that the price of Bitcoin is currently standing at 9,741 US dollars. And what can we say about the price? I mean, we've got the whole crypto world speculating at the moment. Will the price break up or will the price break down? Now, I've done my own research, and today's video I'm going to present what I think will happen based on technical analysis and chart patterns, but also there's a pattern that I've been mentioning in my previous videos regarding the stablecoin Tether, and also there's a new pattern I've noticed with XRP which may be an indicator, so stay tuned and we'll get on with it now. So the first thing that I wanted to do is go to UK Trading View, and I am going to the hourly chart, and I just want to check with you guys what you think this pattern here represents. In my opinion, we have a classical cup and handle formation here, as you can see. And with a cup and handle formation, let's go and explain what a cup and handle formation is. So the cup and handle pattern is a bullish continuation pattern that is used to show a period of bearish market sentiment before the overall trend finally continues in a bullish motion. The cup appears to be similar to a rounding bottom chart pattern, and the handle is similar to a wedge pattern, which is explained in the next section. Now, I've covered a video before. If you go back and look through my other videos, I've covered a video regarding chart patterns and reading chart patterns. So if you go back to my videos, please make sure to go back and watch that so you can get a recap of what I went through. So it goes on to say here, following the rounding bottom, the price of an asset would likely enter a temporary retracement, which is known as the handle, because this retracement is confined to two parallel lines on the price graph. The asset will eventually reverse out of the handle and continue with the overall bullish trend. So in the short term, as you all know, we have had a bullish trend in the last 3 months, where from March, as I indicated in my last video, we've had the price of Bitcoin double from 4,000 US dollars to 8,000 US dollars. So there is a bullish trend in the short term. And if we look at this cup and wedge formation here, I'm going to compare it to the charts on UK Trading View so you can see what I'm mentioning. So here you have the cup, and then the reversal into an uptrend. There's the handle where you have the wedge, okay, and then from there it will break out of that wedge and continue with the bearish, or with the bullish uptrend there. So let me go back to UK Trading View so I can explain that to you. So here we have the cup formation, then we have the rounding bottom, then it continues into the handle. The handle is this part here, guys. So if you see the handle, so this is the wedge, and then what we're going to do here, we should from this point then proceed to break out to the upside. And again, there are a lot of there's a lot of debate at the moment, will the price break up or break down? However, based on classical chart pattern analysis, which I've just broken down to you and I've just compared it, it would appear here that we are in the cup and handle formation. And secondly, and I did post this on my Twitter feed yesterday, so the first point I've noticed is the cup and handle. So cup and handle on the 4 hourly, which I've just gone through with you guys here. And also the second point is Tether is trading under $1 for the best part of the last 48 hours. So we have to ask the question, where is all the liquidity going? My money is the price will break out upward. So I've got a subscription to cryptocurrency alerting. I mean, you can do this on Coinbase and all the rest of them. However, they send me emails and I set the alert to tell me every time the price of Tether went below $1. So as we can see here, I've had numerous emails in the last couple of days. So going from the 17th to the 20th. So on the 17th, had an email to alert me Tether went below $1 on the USD Coinbase Pro. Followed 2 days ago, another email just to confirm. So the same thing here. USDT went below one US dollar on Coinbase Pro. Then we've got another one. Same thing 2 days ago. Different times. However, it's falling below $1 US on several occasions here. So my alert is for when it falls below. So we've got alerts here being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 7, 8 occasions, the price of Tether has fallen below $1 US. And why is that important, you may ask? So I'll go back to CoinMarketCap here. So every time the price of Tether is below $1, and as you can see here, it's at 99 cents currently at the time of recording, which is just coming up to 10 a.m. on the 20th of May. The liquidity is being taken out of Tether, and at the moment we can see that liquidity is coming a lot from that stablecoin because a lot of Tether is being printed, and based on the liquidity going down to 99 cents, it means that the Tether is being transferred elsewhere. And typically and usually this would mean that it's been injected into Bitcoin, and therefore that is the pattern that I use to indicate whether or not the price of Bitcoin will go up and down. And similarly, I've mentioned this in my previous videos, if the price of Tether then goes above $1 US, then usually it indicates that the Bitcoin market, people are taking from Bitcoin and holding into Tether. And one last indicator that I want to show you as to the reason why I think the price is going to break out in the upwards direction is this, ladies and gents. I mean, we've seen Tether and XRP lately. They've been having a bit of battle for this third spot, and you've seen Tether, and I've put this in my other videos, in my 2 previous videos. Tether has claimed the number 3 spot from XRP on a few occasions temporarily. However, this is also a key indicator. When Tether does overtake XRP, that's when we usually have a fall in the price of Bitcoin. And as you can see, the gap here between Tether, the market cap for Tether and XRP is only a matter is very close here. As you can see here, this is 8.7 billion market cap for Tether and a 9 billion market cap for XRP. Now when Tether closes that gap, then you would usually see a fall in the price of Bitcoin, and when you see XRP extending away from Tether in that gap, then you would see a price rise in the price of Bitcoin. So as you can see, my reasons for why I believe the price will break out are based on 3 factors. Number 1 being that we have the classic cup and handle formation forming here. You can see it on the hourly charts and the 4 hourly charts as well, and that is based on what I explained earlier on. The second point is the fact that Tether is currently trading below $1, so the liquidity which is all getting put into Tether, we've seen that in the previous bull run when there was liquidity printed into Tether, the rest of the market shot up in price. So this is happening again. There continues to be loads of amounts of Tether being printed currently. Now the second point is, it's below $1, meaning Bitcoin price will be going up because the liquidity has been taken out of Tether and been put into Bitcoin. And the third point is, if you look at Tether and XRP and this battle for the third spot in the coin market cap rankings, you will note that every time Tether closes the gap on XRP and replaces it on the number 3 spot, you will see the Bitcoin price take a leg down, and the reversal is when XRP pulls away from Tether, as we can see here, slightly pulling away, that the price of Bitcoin goes up and the market goes up. So brace yourself, ladies and gents. I do believe that we're going to be seeing a break up in the price imminently. Everybody's waiting for it. Everyone's just sat on the sidelines. And even if we look at the crypto fear and greed index, you will notice that at the moment we have a very neutral, the market sentiment is neutral, so it's not fear or greed. Everybody is waiting for that moment. This is such I suppose a groundbreaking moment in the current bull run cycle. Will we break up or will we break down? I believe we will break up. The fear and greed index is sitting on the fence. However, this for me also indicates that what will happen is, as soon as we see a breakout, we will see a strong breakout in the upward direction, because a lot of people will be FOMOing into buying Bitcoin. So that, guys, today is my short video on just the price breakdown and what I think will happen. I think we're going up. Let's see if I can be proved wrong. And very exciting times. Until then, see you soon.